Hey guys, I'm showing you this sink soap dispenser. This is for a kitchen sink or the countertop built-in sink soap dispenser. This have a 47-inch extension tube kit, and you know you don't need to fill the bottle again because you can put this pipe directly into a bottle. So now the thing is that this comes with a lot of accessories and documentation that will help you to install it. And you can see this is all plastic here. The washer to hold this clips, like this is for the bottle and all those type of accessories. So you need to have a hole in your countertop or in your sink or the the basin so that you can put this there. So these are the wall, this is the main pump. This looks really nice, and you can just put in the washer, put in this thing, and you can below the countertop, and then you can just fix it there. Now this pipe, as I mentioned, is a long pipe, and you can easily put this pipe onto this pump and then one side into the bottle. So this have this backflow protection that you can use with this black knob, and there are some clips that fastening bolt that you can use to fix it uh, on the cabinet or on the wall, wherever you want to. So this is the whole adjustment or the installation thing that will happen. And this will help you to use the the soap directly into the sink without any issue, without need to replacement of the soap every time when it's gone. So you can just replace the full bottle at one time. So it's better to give a nice and the clean countertop design thing. And as I mentioned, that this can fix easily with all the accessories that comes with it. This will go into the bottle